Hello, and welcome to AlphaCars Motorcycles. This is Derek reporting to you from our Spencer, Massachusetts location. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2005 Beta RR 250 Enduro. This is a very unique bike. There are only 3 of these produced for road use. We'll talk a little bit more about that in this video. As you will see, this bike presents absolutely fantastic. It is in a very good condition. If you're interested in finding out more specific details about this, seeing a nice write-up of everything that this bike has to offer and that we have done to it, you can look at the listing on our website, alphacars.com. You can also contact us directly at 978-263-9000 or email us at sales@alphacars.com. If you're interested in purchasing this bike, but you are not in New England, or maybe you are and you just don't want to deal with transporting the bike back and forth or coming to collect it, we can help arrange transportation to your door. So this bike is at your door, ready to ride when you are. We're gonna go ahead and get a little bit closer look into this bike now though. So let's go ahead and take a look. So as I mentioned, we're gonna take a little bit closer look here. This bike is one of 3 examples of this RR model that was homologated for road use. So if you know betas at all, you're probably familiar with the RS, which was released for road use in 2008. But this RR model, while they did produce them, were never road legal, except for this and 2 other examples that came with all the necessary components and documentation to legally ride this on the street. So really awesome little piece of history for the betas and just motorcycles in general. And very convenient as well. You don't have to toss this thing up in the back of your pickup or trailer it. You can hop on this thing, ride it to the trail if you wanted, and have some fun on the trail or in your backyard, wherever you wanted to take this thing. Being road legal, there is really no limits of where you can go. This bike is also extremely light and nimble, weighing in at only about 260 pounds. And with that 4-stroke, single-cylinder KTM RFS engine, very famous engine here, made it to that 6-speed gearbox. It is a highly capable bike, very nimble and easy to ride, or fun to ride really. Can definitely be a handful if you aren't ready for it, but very fun bike indeed. We're gonna take a little bit closer look at the components or the finish on this bike. It has only 250 miles, so being 2005, that is really nothing. You'll see all of the components here, even the grips, all of the buttons and everything are in really excellent condition. I don't want to say like new, because that's obviously not quite the case, but man, for a 2005, and considering what these bikes are typically used for, you're going to be hard pressed to find another one in this type of condition. You can see all the fairings and everything in excellent condition as well. Not even really like marks or faded plastics or anything. Seats in excellent condition. Really the only thing to note on this bike might be this spot here. Notice in the light, you can see a few little scratches or scuffs on the back fairing here, or fender, so probably somebody kicking their leg over it to get on the bike or something like that. Very minor. Again, you can see as soon as that light comes off of it, you can't even tell that it's there. Coming down to the wheels assembly, again, also in excellent condition. Have some nice Nissan brakes on this bike, also in great condition, excellent stopping power. The frame is all chromoly, helps with the lightness of the bike. Again, weighing in at only about 260 pounds, very light and nimble. You can see a few other nice components here. We have this SOX shock on the back, very nice high-end component. On the front, we have some Marzocchi forks, very high quality component as well, in excellent condition, not leaking or anything. See, they are adjustable. More on that front here, see the assembly and these covers here, very good condition. There is no damage, not even like, you might expect to see some scuffs or something from maybe just branches or something else hitting this, because that would be what you'd expect to use on this bike, but it's clearly been very well cared for. When it wasn't ridden, it was evidently cleaned and kept in stored in a nice garage. And when it was ridden, they took great care to ensure that it wasn't dropped. There's not even scuffs on the lower sections here on the peg or anything. You don't see any indication of damage like it had taken a fall or anything. Again, very uncommon for a bike like this. So really nice example of one of these bikes to be able to pick up and either keep this way or enjoy riding it yourself. Being such low mileage and in good condition, There's a lot of life left in this bike, but also a very unique conversation piece, being one of only 3 technically of this specific spec. A few other notable things about this bike. We did a number of service items to this to improve it. We changed all of the brake fluid and oil on it. We did a complete carburetor overhaul, so it runs absolutely beautifully. So again, this bike is available for sale currently. Extremely unique example, one of only 3 very, very cool pieces. If you would like to purchase this or find out more, you can reach out to us at that number, 978-263-9000, or at sales@alphacars.com. You can also go directly on our website, alphacars.com, to view the listing on this bike and many, many others, both bikes and cars. We get lots of exciting new inventory pieces regularly, so keep an eye out for other exciting things you may run into. If you want to see more awesome motoring content almost daily, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. What do you think of this bike? Do you have any history or experience with these betas? Did you know that they made only 3 of these RRs homologated for road use? I know I certainly didn't. It's a very interesting piece of history to be able to see firsthand. So appreciate you tuning in for this video. Again, this is Derek from our Spencer location signing off.